Grandma.
Hold it, hold it.
Grandma. I can't do it.
You're doing it.
Guys,
wait, guys. Wait.
Hi guys, welcome back to Grandma Deborah channel. Deborah channel.
Hey guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Deborah. Y'all are watching Simply Deborah in the background. My name is Simply Deborah, and we're in the kitchen today, y'all. We're doing everyday living in the kitchen with Cy and Mr. C. So today we are going to be making some fall cupcakes. I kept saying cupcakes when we were making the donuts. Now I'm saying donuts. I'm all over the place. But anyway, we're making fall cupcakes today. I have my little assistant Cy, and then I have Grandpa, and then we have Grandma. So we're in the kitchen and we are getting ready to do this. So what we're gonna do is get all of our ingredients and set everything to the side, and that way we will have everything, and then I will come back and I will tell you guys what we have. Cy, you're back on the floor. You gotta rewash your hands. I just told her we have to make sure she does cartwheels all day long. So I'm telling her when she's in the kitchen cooking, she has to make sure her hands are nice and clean. So make sure you don't touch the floor again. So we're gonna go ahead, prep and get everything together, and then once I have everything together, we will come back and we will start making the fall cupcakes. And these are what kind of cupcakes, Si?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin cupcakes. So it's fall, we're doing everything fall in the kitchen, and I will be back once we have everything together.
Quiet on the set.
Camera speed.
Sound production, take one.
Hey guys.
Wait, guys, wait.
Roll sound. Rolling.
Sound production, take two.
Hi guys, welcome back to Grandma Deborah channel.
Action.
Hi guys, welcome back to Grandma Deborah's channel. My name is Cy, this is Grandma Deborah, and this is Papa. And right now I'm going to tell you all the ingredients. So
Wait, what are we making? Today we're going to be making
pumpkin cupcakes.
Okay.
So I'm going to tell you all the ingredients. So first we have some flour, then we have some melted butter, then we have pure baking soda, then we have some sugar, and then we have eggs, and then we have ground cinnamon and ground cloves and ginger, and then we have baking powder and pumpkin puree, and then we have vanilla extract.
And so first thing first, guys, so we're gonna go ahead, we got all of the ingredients set out, so now we're gonna go ahead. This recipe actually came from where?
From TikTok.
So Cy found the recipe, and so we're gonna make the cupcakes and see if they come out good. This is our first time making them, so we don't know how they're gonna taste, right? Yeah. And we hope that they taste good, and we are just gonna get to making. So we're gonna be going back and forth because the ingredients or how to make it is actually on the TikTok. So we have our bowl here, and we're gonna start adding things to our bowl. So first things first, we're going to add, Cy, get the sugar. Pour the sugar over in there.
Stop it and go.
Okay. The 4 eggs. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So we didn't get our teaspoon of vanilla because I was like, you know what, we can actually do this with making it. Yep, you can hold it, Cy. And we're gonna pour in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Pour. Okay.
Oh, it smells good.
And then put the oil.
We don't have oil, so
Yep,
we're gonna put some butter.
Yep.
Ugh.
Yum.
That's all.
Watch your hands.
It ain't sharp.
Wait.
Flip it over on the other side, bro. You just like.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. Ew. Just.
What else, babe? After that. And then mix together.
Gotta get all
What
up
do they
on the
use?
side.
A whisk.
Yes. You gotta clean the walls, get all up in that side.
Let me see.
You want to do the rest?
You missed the whole side, son.
Huh?
Look at it, you missed the whole side. See, just leave it on one side.
When it comes to touching stuff, Sai get really on. She don't like her hands to be nasty with stuff. So that is that. So next we're gonna mix this all together. This is good. So we're gonna mix it. Let me mix it and then you can take it over once I get it and get everything together.
Oh, here you go.
Okay. Now you can mix it. Finish blending it.
3, 2, 1. 3.
Okay. Next we're gonna add the flour. Here. You can add the flour while I mix it. Little at a time. Little at a time. Chucky, come help.
What I'm doing?
Help side. Put this. Babe, no. Get this. The bowl.
I got it.
Okay, let me mix it first, and then you can finish it. So I'm just incorporating everything together, guys.
It smells good, guys.
Did she put it on me?
She sure did.
It smells so good. It smells good?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my God, that smells so good.
You gotta get the bottom, guys, because the bottom is synced to the bottom.
So next we're gonna put the powder, baking powder, mix side. Then we're gonna put the cinnamon. Keep mixing.
I'll mix it.
You gotta put that elbow grease in there.
We're gonna put baking soda. Come on, put the arm in it.
Hey, Grandma. Try it. You put the stuff in there while I'm mixing it.
So you get it thick.
Go ahead.
Let me hit it for you a couple times, then you can do it. Y'all got flour all over. Come on, y'all got it on my suit, on my jar. Suit now. No.
That's enough.
Yeah, flour.
That's enough. For real, stop. It's enough. Enough.
Come on.
You already get me.
Stop,
I
it's
just
enough.
got you back. You can give me next go round, okay? And then we're gonna put the, here, Si, come put this in it. The ground ginger and the cloves.
Let me see.
Put that over in there.
Right.
And then have Papa to mix.
Grandma.
So we have everything mixed together. It smells so good.
Is that everything?
Yep, that's everything. So next we're gonna get
You got the bottom too?
our cupcakes. Put it back on me. So we're gonna get our cupcakes. We're gonna get our cupcakes in the pan, and then we will put everything over in the cupcakes. So we'll be right back. Let us clean this stuff up and get our cupcakes.
Papa, keep passing me more right there. Behind you. Behind you.
It's 2 in their side.
Just need 1.
2 more.
Oh, 2 more. I need 2 more. Sorry. Taking more.
Okay.
Oh,
That's fine. When it go in there, it's gonna sink.
There's 2 in there.
That's fine.
Okay.
It don't matter. Here.
Grandma.
Hold it. Hold it.
Grandma. Hold it from where?
Y'all going all over the thing.
Squeeze it.
Okay, I got it.
You got it?
Yes, I got it.
You don't want to fill it all the way up.
So tell me when to stop.
You ain't gotta do that one good. Okay.
You hold it.
Start in the middle. Just go along.
17.
I'll put them in the oven, side.
Okay, we have it. Let's put them in the oven. Whew. Okay, open this. Thank you. Top or bottom row?
The top.
Ooh, guys, so good. Hi guys, so we're gonna bake the cupcakes for 15 to 17 minutes, and then and this oven is on 350 degrees. Hey guys, now we're on to making the frosting. So for the frosting, we're gonna use butter, some
Wait a
powdered
minute.
sugar.
What kind of frosting is it?
I just said it. I said
Butter?
I said cream cheese frosting.
She did.
Okay, Sai, so you can say,
Okay guys, the cupcake just came out the oven, and right now we're about to make the cream cheese frosting. So for the cream cheese frosting, we're gonna need some soft butter. We're gonna need some
powder sugar.
powdered sugar. We're gonna need some vanilla. Hey guys, the cupcakes just came out the oven, and now we're about to make the cream cheese frosting. So for the ingredients for the cream cheese frosting, we need some softened butter, some
Powder sugar.
powdered sugar, and then we need some vanilla extract and some Philadelphia cream cheese.
Okay, so go ahead.
So now I'm about to put the Philadelphia cream cheese up there.
And then we are going to put a cup at a time of the powdered sugar. But before we do that, Sai's gonna put the
butter. So let me open this butter up, guys.
and then we're gonna mix that up first.
Yeah,
And we're gonna get a creamy texture.
Y'all, the cupcakes smell really good, by the way.
Okay, so now we got a nice whip to it. So we're gonna add 1 cup at a time of powdered sugar. So this is the first cup going in.
And put the second cup.
Yeah, well, you could put the second cup in. Let me get it first.
You got a butter knife to place it around the edges.
Here you go. Hold up. Okay,
Ooh.
go ahead. Oh, it looks so nice, don't it?
I'll get a butter knife. Guys, it looks so creamy. Ooh, that looks creamy, guys. We're like creamy.
Go wash your hands so you can taste the frosting.
How many times have you washed your hands today?
10.
1,000.
Put some soap on them.
I will wet them. I like wetting my hands, then put soap, then wet them, then put soap.
And then come back and taste the frosting.
Pop, pop. Taste it, test.
Tastes good? Okay, so now we're gonna frost them. Are they warm? Yep.
Get you some on the side.
So should we squeeze it? You gotta squeeze it out.
Okay, Grandma. I can't do it.
You're doing it.
You're laughing.
Don't go back over and lift it up as you.
I can't do it. Hold on. Okay, I think I got it.
Go slow, Si.
Okay.
Very good.
No. Try it.
She gone.
It's good. These are good.
Better
Are
than
they
that.
good?
They're delicious.
Okay. Gone. They're so good. Oh my God, they were amazing. So I